It was easy to do the HR Lite program remotely. There was a consultation session where, based on my taste preferences, they gave a set of options on here are the things that you could eat, and there was a menu. And what I figured out is it gives you a whole set of innovative ways to cook different things. And what you will realize as you go through it is, both from a matter of convenience and your own preferences, you will figure out that some of them work well for you. There is a logic, and what they tell you is you have to follow a certain mix all the time. And you can work with them to narrow down to say, these are the things I like, and then they will come up with a steady state program which will then say these are the things. So you can then eventually converge it to a set of macro and micronutrients plus specific dishes that you think works more for me, convenience because of my schedule is more important than just the taste palette, but for you it may be taste. But if you go through it, by the end of the program, or maybe two of those programs, you should have converged to the best balance of a set of dishes that give you the micro and macronutrients you need, but at the same time keep you going throughout on cruise control mode. And that's how it worked for me.